Catch me on YouTube, girl. YouTuber. Hey everyone, I'm Brooks with Freedom Motors USA. I am on site here at our 200,000 square foot manufacturing facility located right here in Battle Creek, Michigan. Today, I have the opportunity and the pleasure of showing you the wheelchair accessible Hyundai Palisade XRT. This vehicle is equipped with a 33-inch wide ramp and only tapers down into 32 inches on the inside at the most narrow point inside the channel. With Freedom Motors conversions, our seating options are highly customizable. This vehicle here is equipped with aftermarket bucket reclining seats, so that way you have a bit more room for the wheelchair occupant to come up between the mid-row seats if that's where they desire to sit. Another great aspect in Freedom Motors conversions is how we keep our front row OEM intact, meaning as in everything that comes from the factory is all still intact. Nothing has changed up front. Comfortability, tech, everything is all still there. Freedom Motors is family owned and operated since 1987. We are the original inventors, the makers, the creators of the rear entry wheelchair accessible vehicle. With rear entry, you have the freedom to park anywhere that you want. I know that you or somebody that you know has came outside of a grocery store and has seen a wheelchair accessible vehicle that's a side entry where someone is parked too close and we're unable to get inside the vehicle. With rear entry, you no longer have that problem. Freedom Motors is an American-made company, and we use 90% of our own products that are manufactured right here at our manufacturing facility in Battle Creek, Michigan. Another great aspect of Freedom Motors is you're going to get factory direct pricing. What that means is we're the manufacturer of these conversions, so therefore we're going to cut out any type of middleman that would be between us and between you, and we're going to ship them directly to your driveway. Of course, there's many other companies out there that have rear entry vehicles, but we are the only company that can manufacture a rear entry conversion with an automatic push button style to where the rear hatch opens and the ramp comes out all by the push of a button. With Freedom Motors rear entry conversions, you're going to get more ground clearance than your standard side entry conversions. Have you heard about Freedom Motors fly, try, and buy process? What that means is the owner of Freedom Motors is willing to fly you in so you can try one of these out with no obligation to buy. If you're still feeling a little bit hesitant, feel free to jump over to Google, type in Freedom Motors. We're at 4.8 stars on over 630 reviews.